PPT on demand.
Still tired of making PPT? No more. Demand your PPT on PPT on demand.
PPT on demand.
Welcome to this presentation on prompt engineering. Today, we will explore one of the most essential skills in the era of artificial intelligence, the art and science of designing effective prompts. Prompt engineering is not only about interacting with large language models but also about optimizing outputs for accuracy, relevance, and efficiency. In the following slides, we will systematically unpack definitions, strategies, techniques, and real-world applications. Then, let's start our presentation and move to our further slide, where we'll have a deep dive into the techniques, applications, and future trends of prompt engineering. Hope you are all set now. This session is designed to provide a comprehensive overview of prompt engineering, covering its conceptual foundations, methodologies, applications, and challenges. We begin by defining what prompt engineering is and why it has emerged as a vital discipline in AI-powered systems. We then analyze its importance across industries, from education to healthcare and software development. We will study different types of prompts, such as zero-shot, few-shot, and chain-of-thought prompting, with examples and use cases. Later, we examine how prompts influence model accuracy, efficiency, and ethical behavior. This overview also highlights the limitations of current models, prompting us to reflect on bias, hallucination, and misuse. By the end of the session, you will not only understand the theory of prompt engineering but also gain practical insights to apply it effectively in academic, professional, and creative settings. Let's move to our next slide. Prompt engineering refers to the structured and deliberate process of designing inputs, or prompts, that guide large language models, LLMs, to generate specific, accurate, and useful outputs. At its core, it represents the interface between human intention and machine response. Unlike traditional programming, where logic and code explicitly dictate outcomes, prompt engineering relies on natural language cues to constrain, frame, and direct model behavior. A prompt can be as simple as a single keyword, or it can take the form of complex, multi-turn instructions that simulate dialogue. These inputs shape not only the factual scope of an answer but also its tone, depth, and structural organization. For example, the difference between asking, "Summarize climate change," and "Summarize climate change in 200 words with 3 key policy implications," illustrates how specificity, constraints, and contextual framing can yield significantly different outputs. The latter reflects effective prompt engineering by narrowing the model's interpretive space while ensuring relevance and actionable outcomes. The discipline has gained momentum with the advent of large-scale models such as GPT-3, GPT-4, Claude, and Palm, which revealed the sensitivity of outputs to phrasing and context. Research has consistently demonstrated that well-structured prompts drastically improve performance across domains. A 2022 Brown University study reported that few-shot prompting improved model accuracy in reasoning tasks by nearly 30% compared to zero-shot approaches. Similarly, OpenAI's benchmarks show that chain-of-thought prompting, where models are instructed to think step by step, improves performance on multi-step reasoning problems by up to 40%. These results highlight that prompt engineering is not merely a stylistic choice, but a measurable driver of model effectiveness. In practical applications such as medical diagnosis, legal document review, or educational tutoring, the choice of prompt often determines whether an output is insightful, misleading, or entirely unusable. Crucially, prompt engineering is inherently interdisciplinary. It draws on linguistics to understand syntax and semantics, psychology to account for human cognitive framing, computer science for algorithmic grounding, and communication theory for effective message design. This intersection underscores its hybrid nature as both technical and creative. On one hand, it requires empirical testing and optimization to discover effective patterns. On the other, it demands human intuition and creativity to frame problems in ways that resonate with both the model and the intended audience. Prompt engineering matters because it directly determines the reliability, accuracy, and usability of outputs from large language models, LLMs. Unlike deterministic computer programs, which produce the same result given identical inputs. LLMs are probabilistic systems. They generate responses based on statistical patterns in training data. This means that even subtle changes in phrasing can produce drastically different outcomes. In practice, this makes prompts the control mechanism through which humans steer generative AI. Without careful prompt design, outputs may become vague, biased, or even factually incorrect. With effective prompting, however, the same system can deliver precise, structured, and contextually relevant insights. The importance of prompt engineering can be seen in empirical studies. A 2022 paper from Google Research found that zero-shot prompting, giving the model no examples, was often inadequate for complex reasoning, while few-shot prompting improved accuracy by 20 to 30% across benchmarks. Similarly, OpenAI's chain of thought prompting demonstrated significant gains, boosting performance on multi-step math reasoning tasks by over 40%. These results illustrate that prompt quality is not an abstract concern but a measurable determinant of AI performance. In applied contexts such as healthcare, finance, and education, the difference between a well-crafted and poorly designed prompt can determine whether the model's output is actionable or dangerously misleading. Prompt engineering also matters because it enables scalability. Organizations cannot afford to retrain large models every time a new use case emerges, a process that can cost millions of dollars and months of time. Instead, prompt engineering provides a cost-efficient way to repurpose existing models for new applications. For example, an LLM fine-tuned for general text generation can, through prompt adjustments, be adapted for summarization, question answering, or creative ideation. In this sense, prompts act as a lightweight form of programming that extends a model's versatility without modifying its architecture. Furthermore, prompt engineering is essential for reducing bias and ensuring ethical AI deployment. LLMs inherit biases from training data, and naive prompting may reinforce stereotypes or produce harmful outputs. Finally, prompt engineering matters because it democratizes access to AI. Our next slide talks about core principles. The effectiveness of large language models depends heavily on the way prompts are crafted. Prompt design is not simply about wording. It is about structuring information in a way that guides probabilistic systems toward outputs that are accurate, relevant, and aligned with human intention. Scholars have increasingly treated this as both a technical and cognitive discipline. In practice, 5 core principles emerge as essential for successful prompt engineering: clarity, specificity, context, structure, and adaptability. Clarity is the most fundamental principle. Ambiguous prompts yield ambiguous results. A vague request like, "Explain AI," can lead to scattered or superficial responses, while a clear request such as, "Provide a 200-word overview of AI applications in healthcare," with 3 recent examples, delivers more targeted and useful content. Research from Microsoft, 2022, showed that clear, well-scoped instructions increased factual accuracy in model outputs by up to 18%. Specificity builds on clarity by adding constraints. Models perform better when given explicit goals, limits, or instructions. For instance, asking an LLM to summarize this article in bullet points suitable for high school students ensures that both content and tone are adapted to the intended audience. Few short prompting studies, Google Brain, 2022, demonstrate that specifying format and examples can raise task success rates by 20 to 30%. Context is another key principle. LLMs are context-driven systems. They generate responses based on prior tokens. Providing background information, definitions, or role instructions, "You are a financial analyst," significantly improves relevance. In a Stanford experiment, 2023, adding contextual framing reduced irrelevant outputs in long answer generation tasks by nearly 25%. In conclusion, the core principles of prompt design transform what could be random interactions into purposeful engagements. They provide the foundation for consistency, reliability, and ethical alignment in AI use. Just as programming required formal logic in the digital age, effective prompting requires an understanding of these design principles in the era of generative AI. We'll not understand types of prompts. Prompts are not a single, uniform construct. Instead, they can be systematically categorized according to their complexity, purpose, and the level of guidance they provide to large language models. Among the most frequently examined are zero-shot prompting, few-shot prompting, and chain-of-thought prompting. Each represents a progressively richer form of interaction, reflecting different strategies for shaping model behavior. Zero-shot prompting involves asking the model to perform a task without providing any prior examples. For instance, a request such as, "Translate this English sentence into French," relies solely on the model's pre-trained latent knowledge. This approach is efficient for straightforward tasks where the model already has sufficient general knowledge. However, its performance often declines when the task involves nuanced reasoning or multi-step logic. Studies in natural language inference tasks, Brown et al., 2020, demonstrate that zero-shot accuracy can be significantly lower compared to strategies that supply context or demonstrations. Few-shot prompting addresses these limitations by embedding one or more examples into the prompt itself. A classic instance would be, "Translate the following English sentences into French." Example: "Good morning, right pointing arrow, bonjour. Now translate, how are you?" Here, the examples serve as contextual anchors, reducing ambiguity and guiding the model toward the desired format and tone. Empirical work from Google Brain, 2021, revealed that few-shot prompts improved accuracy by 20 to 30% across translation, classification, and summarization tasks, primarily because they contextualize the model's reasoning pathway. Chain-of-thought prompting extends this further by explicitly instructing the model to outline intermediate reasoning steps. For example, a mathematical task such as, "Explain step by step how to solve 45 divided by 3 times 5, prompts the model to articulate each stage of the calculation, reducing errors caused by leaps in logic. Research by Google Brain, 2022, showed that chain-of-thought prompting increased success rates in arithmetic reasoning tasks from 17% to more than 58%. Similar improvements have been documented in multi-hop question answering, where stepwise reasoning is critical. Beyond these core categories, additional variations have emerged. Role-based prompting positions the model in a professional or contextual role, e.g., act as a legal advisor reviewing a contract clause, which has been shown to increase domain alignment. Persona-driven prompting adds stylistic or identity constraints, allowing models to emulate specific voices or perspectives. Text generation remains one of the most widely applied and researched areas of large language models, and effective prompting is essential to achieving coherent, relevant, and contextually aligned results. Prompts serve as the primary interface between human intention and machine output, shaping the tone, scope, and reliability of generated content. A vague request such as, "Write about climate change," usually produces generic or unfocused responses. By contrast, a carefully constructed instruction like, "Write a 500-word article on climate change in an academic tone, highlighting 3 major policy challenges," yields more targeted, structured, and useful text. This contrast illustrates that precision, contextual framing, and clear guidance in prompt design directly determine the quality, accuracy, and applicability of generated results. Several strategies improve reliability in text generation. Instruction-based prompting clarifies structure, e.g., summarize the article in 3 bullet points. Role or persona-based prompting enhances realism, such as, "Act as a financial advisor explaining inflation to students." Constraint-driven prompting, where word count, format, or style is specified, increases consistency and predictability. Empirical research supports these methods. OpenAI, 2023, demonstrated that role-based prompting improved factual accuracy and coherence by up to 20%, while Microsoft Research, 2022, found structural constraints reduced irrelevant outputs by nearly 1/3. These findings confirm that text generation improves significantly when human designers use deliberate, context-sensitive prompts that serve as intellectual scaffolding for the model. Applications of text generation prompting extend across journalism, education, creative industries, and technical communication. In technical contexts, prompts help generate documentation or explain complex processes in plain language. Despite clear advantages, risks such as factual hallucinations or unintended bias remain. This underscores the importance of ethical oversight and careful design. Ultimately, prompting for text generation exemplifies the synergy between human precision and machine creativity, ensuring outputs are purposeful, reliable, and domain-specific. Prompting for image and media generation represents a distinct but related discipline within prompt engineering, where textual descriptions serve as blueprints for visual or multimodal outputs. Unlike text-only models, image generators such as DALL-E, Stable Diffusion, or Midjourney require precise wording to balance creativity with fidelity. For instance, the vague prompt, "a cat in a garden," may produce arbitrary results, while the refined instruction, "a hyperrealistic image of a Siamese cat sitting in a Japanese rock garden, soft lighting, 4K resolution," delivers a more controlled and detailed output. This illustrates how specificity in descriptors, covering subject, setting, style, and quality, directly influences the clarity and utility of generated visuals, reducing randomness and aligning outputs with user expectations. Effective strategies for media generation prompts typically include 4 dimensions: content specification, stylistic framing, technical constraints, and contextual layering. Content specification outlines the core subject, such as 2 students studying. Stylistic framing shapes the aesthetic, whether photorealism, impressionism, or cinematic tone. Technical constraints define resolution, aspect ratio, or format, ensuring usability in professional workflows. Contextual layering situates the scene, e.g., 2 students studying in a sunlit library with laptops open, shot in cinematic 16:9 ratio. Empirical studies confirm these dimensions matter. Stability AI, 2023, reported that explicit style and quality constraints reduced output variability by 35%, while Adobe, 2022, found that contextual layering improved user satisfaction ratings by 28%. Thus, effective prompting becomes both technical and artistic, integrating precision with imagination. Applications of image and media prompting span advertising, education, design, and entertainment. Marketers use prompts to generate campaign visuals, educators employ them for illustrations in teaching materials, and designers leverage them for rapid prototyping. Even filmmakers and game developers now test scenes or concept art with AI-generated imagery. However, challenges remain. Ethical risks include misuse, biased representations, or intellectual property concerns. Therefore, effective use requires not only technical skill but also critical responsibility. Now, let us move to more advanced discussions on prompting techniques. Role prompting is a technique within prompt engineering that assigns a specific identity or persona to an artificial intelligence system, thereby constraining its output style and decision-making framework. For example, asking a model to act as a historian or respond as a financial analyst directs the system toward discipline-specific knowledge, tone, and reasoning structures. This approach not only enhances relevance but also supports task alignment, as the AI mirrors professional conventions and expertise norms. Empirical findings, such as those highlighted by OpenAI, 2022, indicate that persona-based prompting can reduce ambiguity in responses, improving both factual grounding and stylistic coherence. By framing the AI's role explicitly, users gain a mechanism to align machine-generated outputs with real-world disciplinary expectations. In addition to role definition, structured reasoning techniques such as step-by-step prompting significantly enhance logical consistency. By asking the model to show reasoning steps or explain each stage of the calculation, users prevent premature conclusions and enable more transparent problem solving. A related method, self-consistency prompting, generates multiple independent outputs, from which the system or user selects the most coherent or accurate answer. Studies from Google Research, 2022, demonstrated that these combined techniques improve reasoning accuracy by up to 20% in mathematics and logic-based tasks. This suggests that role prompting is most effective when coupled with iterative reasoning scaffolds, ensuring outputs are not only contextually aligned but logically robust. The broader implication of role prompting lies in its adaptability across domains. Legal advisors, scientific reviewers, or creative storytellers can all be simulated through carefully crafted personas, enabling domain-specific engagement. When integrated with reasoning and self-consistency methods, role prompting fosters reliability, creativity, and domain relevance. While challenges remain, such as overfitting to role stereotypes or replicating biases, the evidence suggests that structured persona design substantially enhances the utility of AI systems, bridging human expectations with machine intelligence. Now, we'll be elaborating on how prompt engineering is going to help in business applications. In marketing, prompt engineering has transformed how organizations design personalized campaigns and consumer engagement strategies. By leveraging tailored prompts, businesses can generate advertisements, product descriptions, and social media content that align with specific demographics, interests, and even cultural contexts. This personalization increases click-through rates and strengthens brand resonance, as messages feel relevant rather than generic. Beyond efficiency, the ability to generate persuasive narratives at scale allows marketers to maintain agility in rapidly shifting markets, responding almost instantly to consumer sentiment and global events. Prompt engineering, therefore, is central to achieving precision-driven marketing in the digital economy. In finance, prompts are being applied to enhance risk analysis, compliance, and reporting. For example, structured prompts enable large language models to summarize complex financial documents, identify anomalies in transaction patterns, or generate standardized reports for regulatory submission. This reduces both manual workload and human error while improving timeliness in decision-making. The same approach aids in scenario testing by simulating what-if economic models. Education also benefits substantially, as prompt engineering allows for the design of adaptive lesson plans and study aids tailored to student performance levels. By framing AI as a tutor, learners receive personalized guidance that reinforces comprehension and retention. The economic implications of such applications are profound. According to PwC, artificial intelligence is projected to contribute $15.7 trillion to the global economy by 2030, with prompt engineering acting as a key enabler of this growth. Effective prompts allow AI systems to bridge diverse sectors, from marketing agility to financial integrity and educational equity. They ensure outputs are contextually aligned, cost-efficient, and scalable. As industries integrate prompt design more deeply, it becomes clear that these techniques are not merely technical refinements but foundational drivers of economic transformation in the age of intelligent automation. Now, let's see in our next slide, the role of context and memory and how it improves prompting. Context is a cornerstone of effective prompt engineering, as it enhances continuity across interactions between humans and large language models. Without context, each exchange is treated in isolation, often resulting in fragmented or inconsistent responses. By embedding relevant background information into prompts, users can guide the model to maintain coherence across extended dialogues or multi-step tasks. For instance, providing reminders of prior instructions or specifying constraints ensures alignment with the original intent. This makes context not just a convenience but a necessity for producing outputs that feel logical, accurate, and tailored to ongoing objectives. The ability of AI systems to handle context is bounded by their token capacity. GPT-4, for example, can process up to approximately 32,000 tokens, which allows for long-form reasoning and detailed multi-document analysis. Yet, when working with books, research archives, or continuous enterprise workflows, these limits are often insufficient. To overcome this challenge, external memory frameworks such as LangChain and Llama Index extend context windows by storing and retrieving information outside the core model. These frameworks serve as long-term memory layers, enabling persistence of knowledge across sessions and making it possible to manage highly complex tasks while retaining precision, recall, and efficiency. In practice, the management of context is not only about capacity but also about relevance. Studies in natural language processing show that adding too much irrelevant information can actually reduce accuracy, as the model struggles to identify what matters. Therefore, effective prompt engineering requires selective inclusion of details, balancing completeness with focus. This is especially critical in enterprise settings, where extraneous data from multiple sources must be filtered and structured to prevent noise from diluting the model's reasoning. Beyond extended memory frameworks, prompt engineers employ practical techniques to optimize context management within existing limits. Summarization condenses lengthy material into concise prompts, chunking breaks large inputs into smaller, digestible segments, and structured context prompts organize information hierarchically for clarity. These approaches maximize relevance while minimizing token strain, ensuring that essential knowledge is preserved without overwhelming the model. Combined with external memory tools, these strategies allow AI to sustain logical progression over time, effectively mimicking long-term engagement. Thus, context-aware prompting elevates AI from a reactive tool into a collaborative partner capable of continuity, reliability, and nuanced reasoning across extended interactions. And then evaluating the quality becomes critical. The effectiveness of prompt engineering can be systematically assessed through measurable criteria such as relevance, accuracy, creativity, and efficiency. Relevance ensures that outputs align with user intent, while accuracy verifies factual correctness and logical consistency. Creativity reflects the ability of prompts to elicit diverse, novel, or insightful responses beyond routine completions. Efficiency evaluates how economically prompts utilize tokens and minimize redundant steps to achieve the desired result. Collectively, these metrics demonstrate that prompt design is not a matter of intuition alone but a structured process subject to rigorous evaluation. By establishing such benchmarks, organizations and researchers create standardized methods for determining what constitutes a good prompt, ensuring that AI behavior can be systematically optimized rather than left to subjective judgment or trial and error experimentation. Businesses are increasingly adopting A/B testing methodologies to optimize prompts, similar to how they test advertising copy or user interfaces. In this context, multiple prompt variations are deployed, and their outputs are compared based on defined performance indicators such as coherence, factual accuracy, and user satisfaction. This iterative process reveals which linguistic strategies, framing choices, or contextual embeddings drive superior results. Importantly, prompt A/B testing is not restricted to customer-facing use cases. It extends to internal functions such as report generation, financial forecasting, and customer service automation. Evidence from corporate deployments shows that systematic testing improves operational efficiency by reducing time spent refining AI outputs, while also enhancing reliability in high-stakes applications. This transition reflects a broader recognition that prompt quality can, and should, be managed as a critical business asset. Academic and industry research provides empirical validation of these practices. For instance, a 2023 MIT study demonstrated that structured prompt testing improved model accuracy by up to 30% in reasoning and classification tasks. Such findings confirm that prompt design is not simply art, but also science, grounded in repeatable methods and quantifiable gains. This reframes prompt engineering as a discipline where quality is both measurable and optimizable. The implication is clear. Organizations that invest in systematic prompt evaluation will gain competitive advantages by unlocking more consistent, accurate, and innovative AI performance. But it brings lots of challenges. One of the key risks in prompt engineering is the phenomenon of hallucination, where language models generate information that is factually incorrect but presented with high confidence. This issue can mislead users, especially in domains such as healthcare, law, or finance, where accuracy is paramount. Research from Stanford, 2023, highlights that hallucinations occur when prompts lack sufficient specificity or contextual grounding, leading the model to fill gaps with plausible but false content. Effective mitigation requires strategies such as grounding outputs in verified data sources, using retrieval-augmented generation, or incorporating external validation frameworks. These approaches illustrate that while prompt engineering can enhance performance, it must be carefully designed to minimize risks of misinformation. Another significant concern is bias in outputs, which may arise if prompts are poorly framed or implicitly encode stereotypes. For example, role-based prompts that fail to specify neutrality can reproduce gender or cultural biases present in training data. Furthermore, over-reliance on AI outputs poses the danger of undervaluing human expertise and ethical reasoning. This is particularly problematic when decision-makers accept model outputs uncritically. Scholars emphasize the necessity of human-in-the-loop frameworks, where AI suggestions are treated as inputs to human judgment rather than replacements for it. Such hybrid approaches safeguard against automation bias while ensuring accountability in critical decision-making contexts. Prompt engineering, therefore, is as much about mitigating risks as it is about enhancing efficiency. A broader debate concerns the future of prompt engineering itself. Some argue that as AI systems advance in reasoning and self-correction, the need for carefully engineered prompts will diminish. Others contend that even with improvements, human framing will remain essential to ensure alignment with cultural, ethical, and organizational values. This tension highlights prompt engineering as a transitional but influential discipline. It may evolve into a more specialized skill rather than disappear entirely. Regardless, its current role in shaping reliable, unbiased, and contextually relevant AI outputs is indispensable. Then, how do we follow ethics in prompt engineering? One of the most pressing risks in prompt engineering involves the potential for bias, misinformation, and harmful content. If prompts are poorly structured, models may reinforce stereotypes, propagate falsehoods, or generate language that is offensive. These risks are not theoretical. Real-world incidents have demonstrated how biased outputs can influence perceptions in hiring, lending, or education. Moreover, misinformation spread through AI outputs has heightened concerns in domains such as health communication and political discourse. As large models continue to integrate into high-stakes environments, these risks become even more consequential. Therefore, effective prompting is not only a technical consideration but also an ethical necessity, requiring awareness of how language frames outputs and impacts audiences. To counteract these risks, guardrails are essential. Guardrails refer to both technical and procedural safeguards that ensure AI-generated content remains safe, fair, and inclusive. These may involve constraints embedded in prompts, content filters, and guidelines for acceptable outputs. From a design perspective, ethical prompt engineering means framing instructions that minimize harmful responses, encourage neutral and inclusive language, and explicitly avoid sensitive or discriminatory content. Beyond individual usage, organizations have begun to implement structured oversight mechanisms, integrating prompt testing with fairness audits and bias evaluation. The goal is not simply to suppress undesirable outputs but to create systems that align with social norms, respect cultural diversity, and promote trustworthiness. The role of regulation and accountability further underscores the importance of ethical prompting. Frameworks such as the EU AI Act emphasize transparency, risk classification, and responsibility for both developers and deployers of AI systems. Within this context, prompt engineering becomes a tool for operationalizing fairness, inclusivity, and safety standards. Ethical prompting is not just about avoiding harm, it ensures that AI adoption is socially responsible and aligned with evolving global expectations. As businesses and institutions expand AI integration, the combination of guardrails, regulatory frameworks, and responsible prompt practices will be critical in fostering trust and ensuring sustainable deployment. Let us now understand the tools required. The practical ecosystem for prompt engineering is rapidly expanding, with tools like LangChain and Llama Index leading innovation. These frameworks allow users to design advanced pipelines by chaining prompts together, enabling stepwise reasoning and contextual memory integration. LangChain, for example, supports the orchestration of multi-step tasks where outputs from one prompt become inputs for another, while Llama Index provides structured ways to integrate external data sources as memory extensions. This combination significantly extends the capabilities of large language models beyond their native token limits. As a result, developers and researchers can build AI applications that are both context-aware and adaptable, creating a bridge between raw model capabilities and real-world task requirements. Beyond frameworks, platforms for experimentation and optimization are central to the prompt engineering workflow. OpenAI's Playground allows practitioners to interactively test prompts, manipulate parameters such as temperature or token limits, and observe how these adjustments influence outputs. Meanwhile, Prompt-Base functions as a marketplace where pre-tested prompts are exchanged, reflecting the growing recognition of prompts as valuable intellectual assets. These resources highlight the dual nature of prompt engineering as both a scientific practice, requiring iterative testing, and a commercial activity, where well-designed prompts can save time, improve accuracy, and enhance productivity across industries. Together, such platforms democratize access to advanced prompting strategies, making them accessible to both technical and non-technical users. The open source community further amplifies this growth. GitHub has seen exponential increases in repositories focused on prompt engineering since 2022, reflecting the surge of global collaboration. These repositories contain libraries, templates, and experimental results, accelerating collective learning. For academics, practitioners, and businesses, this trend signifies that prompt engineering is no longer a niche skill but a rapidly professionalizing field. By leveraging frameworks, marketplaces, testing platforms, and community repositories, prompt engineers can stay at the forefront of AI innovation, continuously refining methods to maximize reliability and efficiency. A notable trend in artificial intelligence is the movement toward promptless AI, where models increasingly infer user intent without explicit instructions. This shift reflects advances in natural language understanding and context modeling, allowing systems to anticipate needs from minimal or implicit cues. Instead of requiring carefully crafted prompts, next-generation models aim to recognize patterns in prior interactions, user preferences, or contextual signals to deliver relevant outputs automatically. For instance, adaptive assistants can proactively summarize meetings, draft responses, or suggest research directions without a direct prompt. This evolution reduces the technical burden on end users while maintaining accuracy and personalization, signaling a future in which prompt engineering transitions from explicit micro-instructions toward broader system-level design principles. Looking forward, the discipline of prompt engineering is poised to evolve from the wording of queries into the orchestration of AI ecosystems. Practitioners will increasingly focus on designing interfaces, workflows, and governance frameworks that ensure reliability, accountability, and ethical use at scale. As AI models take on more initiative through autonomous agents and context-driven generation, human expertise will lie in guiding system architecture rather than micromanaging language inputs. In this future, prompt engineering becomes less about crafting phrases and more about shaping the logic, flow, and safeguards that govern intelligent systems. As AI evolves, the role of prompting is shifting from wording to orchestration, designing frameworks and workflows where human intent guides autonomous agents to act effectively. Looking forward, the discipline of prompt engineering is poised to evolve from the wording of queries into the orchestration of AI ecosystems. Practitioners will increasingly focus on designing interfaces, workflows, and governance frameworks that ensure reliability, accountability, and ethical use at scale. As AI models take on more initiative through autonomous agents and context-driven generation, human expertise will lie in guiding system architecture rather than micromanaging language inputs. In this future, prompt engineering becomes less about crafting phrases and more about shaping the logic, flow, and safeguards that govern intelligent systems. So, let us summarize our discussions now. Prompt engineering is increasingly understood as both a science and an art, merging technical precision with creative problem solving. At its core, it is the practice of crafting instructions that effectively guide artificial intelligence systems toward producing relevant, accurate, and contextually appropriate outputs. The science side involves applying systematic methods, such as structured phrasing, evaluation frameworks, and reproducible experiments, to ensure consistency. Meanwhile, the art aspect acknowledges the subtleties of language, psychology, and human intuition, all of which shape how AI interprets intent. Much like coding or design, prompt engineering requires iterative refinement, where small changes in wording or framing can result in significantly different outcomes. This dual nature is what makes the discipline versatile, interdisciplinary, and highly valuable across sector. The foundation of effective prompts lies in three essential elements: clarity, context, and constraints. Clarity ensures the AI understands the request without ambiguity, minimizing the risk of irrelevant or hallucinated responses. Context allows the system to ground its outputs in the intended domain, whether that is healthcare, finance, or education, improving reliability and relevance. Constraints, such as specifying length, format, or tone, act as boundaries that guide the model toward practical usability. For instance, asking an AI to explain quantum computing in 200 words for a high school audience is far more effective than a vague, explain quantum computing. These principles highlight that prompt design is less about clever tricks and more about systematically shaping model behavior to align with user intent. Long-term success in prompt engineering also depends on evaluation and ethics. Models can produce outputs that are biased, misleading, or harmful if prompts are poorly framed. Therefore, prompts must be tested not only for performance but also for fairness, inclusivity, and safety. Ethical guidelines, such as those emphasized in emerging AI regulations, ensure responsible adoption. Looking ahead, the future of prompting is likely to move beyond single instructions toward system-level design, where orchestration frameworks, memory integration, and autonomous agents reshape how humans interact with AI. In this sense, prompt engineering evolves into a discipline of human-machine collaboration at scale. And final say is mastering prompts today equals competitive edge in tomorrow's AI economy. In this final slide, I'd like to acknowledge the academic and industry sources that informed this presentation. Key contributions include Brown et al.'s seminal 2020 paper from OpenAI on few-shot learning, and Wei et al.'s 2022 work on chain-of-thought reasoning, both of which shaped how we understand prompt design. Reports from Gartner, McKinsey, MIT Sloan, and Accenture provide critical insights on adoption, business impact, and testing methodologies. We also reference regulatory perspectives, such as the European Union's AI Act draft, which stresses accountability in responsible AI deployment. Tools like LangChain documentation and emerging statistics from Statista further illustrate the technical and market landscape. Together, these works highlight that prompt engineering is not only a practical skill but also a rapidly evolving academic and commercial field. Thank you very much for listening to the presentation. If you have any suggestions, improvements, improvisations, please feel free to comment in the comment box. We would be very happy to take your feedback. Do not forget to mention the slide number. All the presentations in this channel would be created on demand basis. So, demand your PPT by commenting in the comment box. We'll be very happy to help you. Demand your PPT on demand. And finally, do not forget to subscribe, like and share the PPT in the channel. Also, press the bell icon in order to be notified for the next PPT. A very good bye for now. All the best.
PPT on demand.